Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about importance of practicing isolation and social distancing as well as self-lockdown. First of all, as you all know, we are currently facing a global pandemic caused by the coronavirus, or we call COVID-19. The virus is highly infectious and can spread quickly from person to person, especially in crowd areas or when people are in close contact with one another. One of the most effective ways to slow the spread of the virus and protect ourselves and our loved ones is by practicing self isolation and social distancing. This means staying at home as much as possible and avoiding close contact with others, especially those who are sick. It also means maintaining a distance of at least 6 feet from others when we do need to go out in public. Self isolation is especially important for people who are who are at high risk of contracting the virus, such as older adults or those with underlying health conditions. By staying at home, these individuals can reduce their risk of exposure to the virus and protect themselves from getting sick. Self lockdown is another measure that some governments have implemented in an effort to slow the spread of the virus. This involves restricting non-essential travel and requiring people to stay home except for essential activities such as going to grocery store or getting medical care. It is important to follow these measures even if you feel healthy, because you may be carrying the virus without knowing it and could spread it to the others. By practicing self-isolation, social distancing and self-lockdown, we can help protect ourselves and our communities and slow the spread of the virus. I know that this measure can be difficult and may require sacrifice, but they are necessary in order to protect ourselves and others. Let's do our part by following the guidelines and taking care of ourselves and each other. One of the important of practicing self-isolation and social distancing as well as self-lockdown is social distancing stop the spread of pandemic. If a person is unwell and there are no individuals around, a virus cannot spread out. By social distancing methods, we are doing our best to reduce the spread of coronavirus. It is truly cruel due the fact that if everybody obtains coronavirus at the same time and also win up in the health center at the very same time, our healthcare system would certainly be overloaded. Another important is when there are large celebrations of social gatherings, the chance of the infection spreading are very high. Practicing social distancing aids in reducing possibilities for transmissions of the virus. In this way, We can minimize the number of unwell individuals and lower the load on healthcare system and elderly and home care providers. Similarly, social distancing aids to stop a fast spike in people that are influenced by the disease. It also gives healthcare facilities and as well as healthcare providers for senior more time to prepare and to take preventative measure to assist us all. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm here to talk about cause or effect when people not doing self-isolation and social distancing. When individuals do not practice self-isolation or social distancing and self-lockdown, they increase the risk of spreading the virus to others, especially those who are most vulnerable, such as older adults or those with underlying health condition. By the following this measure, individual may unknowingly spreadly the virus to others, leading to more cases of COVID-19 and potentially overwhelming the healthy system. That is why it's so also important to everyone to do their part in practicing self-isolation, social distancing and self-lockdown even they have feel healthy. It is also important to understand that these measures are not just about protecting ourselves, but also about protecting our loved ones, our community, and healthy care system. By following system, allowing it to better serve those who need it most. Second, without social distancing, we are losing more people. Without social distancing, the spread of COVID-19 can become more rapid and widespread, leading to more cases and potentially more death. Social distancing helps to show the spread of the virus by reducing the number of people who, who come into close contact with the official individual. This helps to reduce the number of new cases and prevent the healthcare system from becoming overwhelmed. In addition to social distancing, it also it also important to practice good hygiene, such as washing your hands after you go out and covering your mouth with your mask and nose of sneeze. This measure can help to reduce the risk of transmission the virus to others and protect both ourselves and others. So the virus cannot go to everyone. It is important to follow the guidelines and recommendation from public health officials in order to protect ourselves and our community. So yourself and our community stay healthy from COVID-19. Why people hate distancing? You shall not. By practicing social distancing, you are not only protecting yourself but every person in that living with you. Although the sign and system of coronavirus can take 2 weeks to be present, you could still bring up and passing to other without understanding. Any person of any age can end up being infected with the coronavirus. Nevertheless, the senior citizen and a children more to being affected with coronavirus. The person with cancer, stroke, survivor, diabetes or also other chronic problem more to risk COVID-19. By picking socially distancing, you are saving the most problem population of individual as well. Thank you.